I was going YouTube. This is Gozy, aka Crazy McGrady. Driven the car for about 300 miles now since the tune, and so far so good. Definitely the fastest thing I've driven and owned. Gapped a Lamborghini Huracan, PROCHARGED C7, PROCHARGED C6, and a few other cars. Ended up doing an exhaust mod. Took off the Billy Bolt's fusion muffler. Old setup, and went with a straight pipe system. It's custom. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's pretty loud. The neighbors definitely hate me. Yes, I do care, but they'll be all right. Picked up a side diffuser, side skirt, whatever you want to call this. The NRG's steering adapter and quick release came in with the steering wheel. Some people might not like NRG, but I don't mind them. They're not bad quality. I've rented on my Nissan for about 4 or 5 years now without any issues. So NRG 350 millimeter steering wheel with leather grip. So the steering wheel has 2 recesses, one on each side. Got one here. Don't know if you can see that. Got the other one there. And you're basically gonna put a Allen key in there, and that'll release the lock while you pull on the horn / airbag assembly. After you've done that, it should just pop right out. Wiggle the steering wheel out. Now you have your steering shaft and whatever this is. The kit didn't come with a resistor that fools the system into thinking that the capacitor or the airbag is plugged in. So I might have to go pick one up. I'm gonna undo this to see what's under here though. Steering adapter is on. Tighten it down. Here's the finished product. Definitely feels better than factory. No horn, no airbag. I don't know what it was. Maybe the sound of the V8 combined with the size of the steering wheel, but the car used to feel like I was driving a truck. But now with the steering wheel, it's starting to feel a little bit more sportier. Installed the side skirt, side lip, side diffuser, whatever you want to call it. It's definitely looking way more aggressive now. Also painted the front lip. Ended up drilling the oil cap and started a breather. Took it for a test drive, opened it up. No leaks, so should be fine, but I'll keep monitoring it. Make sure nothing crazy happens. Shit's looking good. Looking good and slow. Here's the pipes. And for a straight pipe car, it's surprisingly not as loud as you would imagine. It's not too crazy. ordered the MGW, but due to this virus, probably gonna be waiting a while. I've only missed third maybe twice now. Currently en route to Dyno Day. They're having this meet, and I think it's $40 for 2 pulls. I got the car dynoed on a hub dyno, and I've been wondering if it really reads low, high, accurate. So at the meet, I believe it's at Dyno Jet. Thing's clapped out. NRG all day, baby. Gonna see what she makes. Thank you. Thank you. She made 570 on the hub dyno. So I'm looking to see what it makes on this roller Dyno Jet style. It's probably gonna read higher. We'll see. Came in at 573, 572, both runs, which is about, I think, 5 or 6 more than the hub dyno, so it's not too far off. You know what's annoying? When I pull up to meets and people start calling me Fresh Kicks. I'm pretty sure I had my C6 first, so who's biting who? I got his shit too. I got that driver mod. Sylvia, drag pack, with a parachute in the back. Oh yeah, this shit ready to put buses on anybody. Clean Supra. Yeah, that's what? Oh, yeah, let me see that.